In this video, we are going to learn about how to create an account in Substack. First of all, open a browser and then search for Substack. Then you can see this main official website. Just after that, click on this link to open the official website. Then you can see it's the home page. Now I want to create an account. Click here to sign in or start your Substack. Sign in, and then you can see here is a option is create account. Click here to create an account, and from here select 3 topics. We will recommend Substack that fit your interest. Like I want to technology, news, business. After selecting 3 topic, click to continue. Now again subscribe and continue. It's time to write an email. Like I want to write my email. Then click or check mark to terms and condition. After that, sign up and subscribe. Write a name and also write an handle. You can also write something about yourself. Then click to continue. Scan the code below to download for iOS or Android, and then again click to next. You can discover ideas that inspire you, or you can share your work with the world. As you wish, you can select anyone from here, and then click to done. Voila, our profile is ready. So thank you for watching this video. If you think this video is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.